Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to block or remove ads on any website in the Microsoft Edge browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PCs quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open your Edge browser by clicking on the Start button and searching for Edge. Then click on Microsoft Edge to launch it. Once it is open, click on the three dots menu in the top right corner, also known as Settings and More. From the menu, click on Extensions. Now click on Get Extensions for Microsoft Edge, which will open the Microsoft Edge add-on store in a new tab. In the search bar, type AdGuard and select AdGuard Ad Blocker from the results. Click on Get, then click Add Extension when the pop-up appears. The extension will now download and install automatically. After installation, it may open a new tab showing that filters are being set up. Once everything is completed, you can close the tab. Now visit any website and you will notice that ads are blocked. This also works on platforms like YouTube, helping you watch videos without interruptions from ads. That's it. You've successfully blocked ads on Microsoft Edge using an extension. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Bye-bye.